Once upon a time, there was a boy who fell asleep at the library. And oh, what a terrible dream he had. He dreamt rows of robots reading, with grumpy faces all. And he heard the sound of typing, but was afraid of what he saw. Where was the life? Where was the fun? He wanted to get out, and he wasn't the only one. The dream turned for the worse, because the boy had a book. A book he'd had for more days than a few. And now he was frightened. His book was past due. Scared out of his seat, the boy looked around, for no one could sleep after hearing such a sound. He looked for the robots, but saw yoga instead. He looked for the typists, but saw bikers ready for helmets on their heads. What a lively place, he thought in his mind. This is a library that welcomes all kinds. But fear touched his heart, for there was a book in his hand, the very same book the librarian had slammed. Up to the counter he walked, certain of death. When he turned in the book, he held in his breath.
I'd like to return this book, but it's a little late.
That's okay, we don't have late fees. What a surprise! What a wonderful place! The Athens County Public Libraries are the perfect community space.